Hello everyone, I am Amit from Mail Smartly. Today in this quick tutorial, I will walk you through step-by-step process how you can move a specific email to another folder using keyboard shortcut. So first of all, you have to select your email. So I want this email to be moved to the delete folder. So what I have to do is to simply hit Ctrl+Shift+V. When I click on it, move to dialog box appears. Currently I am not using the mouse and keypad of my keyboard. I simply using my keyboard keys. So you can move or select your folder using up and down key. If you want to expand the folders, for example, I want to expand the deleted items, so I use right button, and if I want to collapse, I will use my left arrow button. When I select the folder, say I select this deleted item folder, simply hit enter, or you can use your tab key to move the cursor to OK and simply hit enter. That way your email is removed from the list and it will be moved to the delete folder. One more thing, you can also use any folder of any other email address also. If you have selected the email of, say, your email address which is XYZ, and you want to move that email to 123 email address, you can use this move item dialog box very easily. Another method is you can use Alt key, hit H, and then hit MV. That will give you by default recent folders. You can select from there, and if your folder is not in this list, you can simply hit O. Once again, you are again forwarded to the same dialog box which is move items. You can select the folder from here also, and you can repeat the action such as enter or tab, then enter key. I hope you found this video useful. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.